Nasasabik sa unang araw ng eskwela, taas kamay with confidence. Let's do the first day high! First day of school, laging may kaba. Sino ba naman ang gustong mag-isa? Sana may cute na makatabi, may bagong kaibigan tapos ng klase. Lakas loob, hanapin ng katropa, sumabay sa sayaw. Let's do the first day high! Nasasabik sa unang araw ng eskwela, taas kamay with confidence. Let's do the first day high! Umaabang sa talino, do the rainy high. Kung mayaman si Papa, do the saucy high. Pag mahilig ka sa sports, do the MVP high. Kung cool ka na stick, do the Bravo high. Pag solid sa bait, do the nice guy high. Itaas ang kamay, let's do the first day.
We are here in an Illusource State College of Agriculture and Technology to interview some students on how they can manage their allowances as a college student. Let's go!
First day high! Nasasabik sa unang araw ng eskwela, taas kamay with confidence. Let's do the first day high!
I'm tripping, I'm sliding, I'm riding through the back like hype. Must have on a beat, throw deep, rap, wanna get a free throw, man.
First question is, how much is your allowance for the day?
Okay, so ang akong allowance per day is on 200 pesos.
And how you can manage it as a college student?
Mamanage ka ang akong allowance kay hindi man kaayo ko parang gastado na pagka-estudyante. So sa akong 200 pesos na akong allowance per day is makakuan pa dyan ko alam ko siguro mga 150 kay kung kuan ang pang snacks naman, ang akong pang palit-palit is pang snacks, it's only for 50 pesos.
Through the back like hype. Must have on a beat, throw deep, rap, wanna get a free throw, man.
Hi ma'am, hi sir. Could you state your program and what's your name?
Good morning. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Darcy Amahay from Bachelor of Secondary Education major in English.
I am Cyril Genti Di Tablan. I am second year from Bachelor of Secondary Education major in English.
How much is your allowance per week?
So, actually, ako allowance is di siya per week. So, per month siya na siguro sa mga 3K.
Mine is 1K per week.
And how can you manage it na mapaigoan sa
Actually, di siya maigo. Siguro, ginabudget na ko na ko siya 500 sa isa kasimana, pero kulang yun siya, nung maabot yun siya, something 700 sa isa kasimana kay sometimes mangkod, mabudget siya if magbaktas mo, pero layo mo kayo palingki, di ba? So, mamasahira gito, sige pagkakaon sa canteen, so hindi siya maigo.
Mine is actually 1K is dako na ka siya for a week. So budgeting is not really kanang lisod for me, except lang if there are dagko gani nga mga payment sa schools, mga ano, so dira jud maglisod.
Back like hype. Must have on a beat, throw deep, rap, wanna get a free throw, man.
Good morning, ma'am. May I know your name and your program? My name is Jacob from Bicol. So my first question is, how much is your allowance per week? My allowance per week is 1,000 per day. And how did you manage it as a college student? As a college student, I managed my monthly allowance by not buying unnecessary things. Also, nakatipid ko by doing the cheapest exercise, which is ang magpakdas. And also, pag busog na ko, hindi na ako nagpapalit ng other food na
Through the back like hype. Must have on a beat, throw deep, rap, wanna get a free throw, man.
Hi ma'am, can you tell your name in your department?
I am Crystal Mace Marihar from the Israel 1A.
How much is your allowance?
100 a day.
And how can you manage your allowance?
Sa pagtipid, sa pagbiyahe, kada adlaw, imbes na magpasaka pa ka, then mag-advance ng 5, tapos lang ka, para 10 lang. Then, inapod ka, kung gusto ka na pa kay sobra, na ka mag-recess, ulit na ka dito. So, mga to.
to the back like hey. Bust that on a beat, throw deep, in the back, he a free throw man.
Good morning, Mom. Sir, may I know your name and your program?
My name is Raymond Sumil. I'm from Bitilit
My name is Christine Alonso and I'm also from Bitilit Island. How much is your allowance per day?
1,000 per week.
How do you monitor allowance?
Pag ako actually, umalis ako allowance ako doon ay medyo kami pa, wala ko ikanang gano'n na akong savings, ako sa ako, di ba? Hindi lang siya tao.
During our initial interviews with these students here in ASCAD, we discovered that they had really different strategies how to save money and to feed their allowance. For example, they opted to walk rather than take a public transit, and to save money rather than buy snacks.
Promote the financial plan can make it easier to monitor spending and give you a better idea of how much you are saving.
And also, as a student, budgeting can help us academic and financial growth.
Budgeting your money makes you smart spending decision and achieve your financial goals.
Being a student, here are the tips that you must learn. Save as you can, create a budget plan, and lastly, look for scholarship as you can.
I am Shayna Myra L. Bourbon, Jasmine D. Abarido,
Cristal Acido, Robelin Jimenong,
and I am Pretty Chin Fredo. And we are from Bachelor of Arts in English Language. Take a transit. Lahat wala akong problem. For example,
When money...
Budgeting can help us.
Taisa!